Hi everyone, this is Lori with DIY Wedding Designs. Today I'm going to make this silk bouquet. It's got some roses and peonies and hydrangea in it, and it's hand tied. It's got some pearls and some ribbon on the handle here, and it's got a little butterfly. You'll see it better when I'm close up on it. It's kind of pink blush tones, a little bit of a peach in it. So let's make it. Okay, I'm going to go over my materials quick here. I was kind of going for different tones of pink in this bouquet, a little bit of a peach. So I just picked them all randomly just so they were kind of in the same family of colors. I have 6 of these hydrangea. Not hydrangea, peonies. I think they're peonies. And these are a real light pink, kind of a blush look to them, and there's 6 of them, so they're gonna go like on the outside of the bouquet. And these 3 hydrangea, they're a darker pink. These little roses, these are more of a peach look, cream look to them. And these came together, and this one randomly had 3 blossoms on it, but I'll make that work. These 3 roses, a little bit of a different tone of pink on them also. These for filler flowers, which I don't know if they are generic filler flowers. And they have different tones of pink also. And then this is going to be my center flower, and that I'm pretty sure is a peony. And that has some different peachy tones in there too. And then 2.5-inch roll of ribbon that's going to be wrapped around. It's a hand tied, so it's going to be wrapped around the stems. And this butterfly, I thought he was kind of cute. I'll put him on top. Got that at Hobby Lobby. And these pearls I'm going to wrap around the handle also. And these come in a string like this. If you're doing any kind of project or going to be wrapping them around, these work really good because they're all together, and then you don't have to pick one pearl at a time and glue it on. So those work really good. And then just standard wire cutters, spool of wire, and glue gun. I think that's it. Let's get started. Okay, I like to start with a vase that's about the diameter of your hand, about how fat you want your bouquet, and start with that. And then I work from the outside in, usually on my bouquets. So these are going to go all around the bottom, or the outside. I don't know if they call the bottom, but outside. Oh, and I know my microphone picks up all that flower rustling noise. Sorry about that. All right, so make those in kind of a ring there. The hydrangea, the next biggest one. And they might seem a little uneven, but you fix that when you pull it out. So those, and then I'll put these next. Okay. And a shape going there. And then I will do these. Put these like right in between the hydrangea and the roses, because there's 3. I have 3 of everything, so you can kind of make it uniform there on the, as you're building it from the outside in. And these would be next. Those are smaller, so I kept those a little bit more toward the middle. And then this with the 3, I can have that facing you, kind of a different look. Just have that part facing you of the bouquet there. And the center flower. All right, so it's a big bouquet. Whoops, this didn't even make it into the vase there. So get it as arranged as you can in there, and then you pull it out. It's kind of it's bigger this way than this way, so you can always adjust that however you would like. I like to look from the bottom first, because these 6 peonies need to be all just about the same length of the bouquet there. So I start with those. And the roses, and try and get them about even here. The rose there, and this. And so that's there. There, that's about right. It's pretty close there. I know, and if it, you know, obviously if I wasn't filming, I'd keep messing with it till it got perfect. But this is about what I'm going for, and I like to wrap it a little bit further down on the handles. Then that kind of makes it spread out a little bit, makes it prettier bouquet, I think. Like that. And I'm too close here. So also a really good tip is to look in the mirror when you're doing this part of it, because then you can kind of see from that way how you would want it to look. You know, when you're looking at it this way, sometimes it's kind of hard. But if you're holding it and looking in the mirror, it's a lot easier to adjust anything you want to adjust. So I believe that's about what I'm going to go with right now. All right, I'll wrap it up. All right, I went ahead and just wrapped it with the wire off camera. You're just going to take that spool and wrap it around several times till it's nice and snug. And then I usually take a needle nose pliers and give it a good twist so that it's super tight. And then tuck the ends are super sharp. I poked myself many times. Try and stick those in between there. And then, let's see, the ribbon. I usually burn the edges of my ribbon to keep them from fraying. Just a quick... I'll burn the house down, and then I do the little, because you got to kind of fold it over at the end so that you can't see this edge, so I do that before I even put it on there. It makes it a little bit easier. All right, and then I just pick an area here. And get it nice and tight on there. And I'll wrap it from there. Trying to keep it even. Try and keep the glue from seeping out there when I'm pushing it down, because you don't really want to see that. Okay, here. You can glue it later if you think it's not glued tight enough. All right, and then these pearls. I think I'm gonna do one row here, and then you want them to end probably where that seam is. This is 2 rows. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do 2 or 3. It's not that long of a ribbon, so I think I'm just gonna do the 2 rows of pearls there. And then I better put it in here to do the butterfly. Kind of pick an area here. Kind of near the middle. And then you can kind of stick the wire down in there, but also have glue on the butterfly itself. And then you can kind of attach it to the flower like that. Glue on my finger. Oops, am I kind of close? Sorry about that. All right. There's our bouquet all together, and like you can always be moving around and things exactly how you want to. There's the handle there. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. My next bouquet is going to be kind of working on like a wildflower bouquet. It just looks pretty wild with that grass there, but consider subscribing if you think you'd be interested in that. Otherwise, thanks for stopping by.